Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Scorpio. Scorpio people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. So Scorpio people, this reading is going to be for the next 10 days of August month, from 1st to 10th August. Okay. Now, let's see. I'm going to pick 3 cards to check your current energy, your partner's current energy, and the action which they can take towards you in next coming 10 days. Okay. Judgment. Alright. So Scorpio people, this is your current energy. Judgment. It seems like after giving lot of emotion, lot of affection, lot of attention to this person or to this relationship, now you are introspecting your own thoughts. Okay, you are just going through your own behavior, your own thought process, your own behavioral pattern. Why am I doing this? Why all such incident happened with me? So a lot of introspection is going on within you. Okay, you are just trying to figure it out, that why I face certain problems in my life, why do I attract a different kind of people in my life or same kind of people in my life, why do I attract sad souls. Okay, what is the highest mission for me, or what is going to be there for me with this person or in this current relationship. So a lot of introspection is going on your end. Your partner's current energy is death or rebirth. I think they have understood the fact that this relationship has over, or I could see that there must be some miscommunication or misconception or misunderstandings between you and them. Okay, that's why something has ended for them. And as this card said, death, rebirth. Okay, so every ending is a new beginning. So it seems like your person has, perhaps this relationship had been through a lot in past, but now they do not want to repeat their mistakes over and over again, and this could be the new beginning for both of you in this relationship. And as I can see with the Fool card, it seems like your person is definitely going to take something big step towards you. They are believing in you, they are believing in divine, they are believing in God, they are believing in universe process, and it seems like they are ready to start this relationship one more time. Alright, so it seems like some of you can hear something big, something new from your partner side within the next 10 days. Okay, alright. So Scorpio people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.